Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute mommy and baby bunny hugging, perfect for Mother's Day. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top of the mom's head with a small curve here. Next, let's add the ears. We'll start with a large curve up and back down on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now let's draw the inside of the ears with two curves that meet at a point on both sides. Next, let's hop down and draw the sides of the head with the curve down and then curve it in. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's move in and draw the face. We'll start by drawing the eyes with two curves like this. Now for the end, let's draw two curves for the eyelashes. And now let's thicken up the eye slightly. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a triangle shape. Next, let's draw the mouth underneath with two curves. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move down and draw the head of the little bunny. We'll start with a large circle underneath. Now let's move inside and draw the face. We'll start with two curves for the eyes. And then a small triangle underneath for the nose. And now the mouth underneath with two curves. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down. And then let's curve it back up at the end. And now let's do the same thing for the other ear. Next, let's move inside and draw the inside of the ear with a curve down and back up. And that's it for the little bunny. Next, let's add the mom bunny's arms. We'll start on the left side underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and in underneath. And then for the end, let's curve it up. And now let's do the same thing from the right side. And lastly, inside, let's draw 2 curved lines for the fingers on both hands. And that's it for these cute bunnies hugging. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!